Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. I'm just leaving right now. Never on time, but I gotta give you guys a recap of what happened during that car show that I told you guys that I was supposed to go to. And today we gotta bring the car to the shop, man. It's getting cold already? No, but damn, that blue, man, that blue just looks so nice. Yeah, let's start the day. We're just gonna warm it up and let's see how this thing's gonna turn out. Alright, so let's let this thing warm up, but today we're supposed to get an oil change, hopefully the brake change too. We're supposed to get a new exhaust, but we're gonna have to order that soon. But today, yeah, the car definitely needs some work. I've been driving the hell out of this car. We already put 13,000 miles on it? Yep, 13,000 miles already. Yeah, ain't no joke, man. But yeah, this is a great way to start my morning. The only thing I know I'm gonna be stuck in is for sure is traffic. So I should have woke up a little bit earlier than this, but you know what? I'll be there soon. We gotta go to Top Speed. We gotta go see our friends at Top Speed and see how everything's gonna turn out. Hopefully it won't be no surprises. You know when you bring your car to the shop, like you kind of like don't expect no surprises, and they're like, "Yo, what did you hit?" I haven't hit anything because last time my whole panel like had a hole like close to the oil pan. I ran over a coconut. Yeah, you guys probably saying like, where would you run over a coconut in Georgia? Somebody left it in the middle. If I swerved to the left, I would have to hit the car. So it was like a ramp, right? You're going up the ramp. As you're going down, the coconut was like right there. I couldn't avoid it. I should have just stopped. I was like, you know what? I can clear this. Nah, I didn't clear nothing. Hit it. I didn't even think anything of it because it was like, boom, okay. It's just like when you hit, when you scratch your front bumper. But it did a little bit more damage than usual. But right now, let's start our morning. Hopefully you guys are having a great Monday, just like I think I'm about to. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how the day turn out, man. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. We got another car show, right? We got another car show, and I already warmed up my car, so just lock the door. You guys can see that. Ooh. I already warmed up the car. We are ready to go. I don't know. I expect a lot of cars to be there. I was supposed to be there, man, early this morning, right? Of course, we're not late. We overslept, so it's like we wasn't going at all. But you know what? We're gonna try our best to pass by over there. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars. You guys know I love cars, man. It doesn't matter. Yes, I drive a GTR, but I have love for every car out there, man. But anyway, let's start the day. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to roll out, but as you can see, it looks like it's about to rain. I hope not. You know what, it is what it is. It's about to roll out. I'm outside, so. Alright. Got Lambo'S in the house. Should have checked that out. Yeah. So, yeah,
I beat him like every time. The one time he gets before me.
I had to. Anyway, I just got hazy. You see nothing but I'm loving it right now. Yeah. I know, but this rain looks like it's coming though. You see this? Oh, the sun is coming out.
Perfect right now. Perfect. But we can get some cool shots.
Yeah, we're about to get some cool shot right now. We'll see. Now I'm about to go get my car. Look at the city from this view though. Does that look nice? I don't know what was that. Oh, that was a Z. Yeah, look at the sky now. It looks like it's gonna rain on this side though. Oh, not really. Alright, Lambo Doc leaving right now. I'm about to go get our car. It sounds like the parking lot was looking nice. Damn. Alright guys, we got Matt trying to get that good shot. He's going in for that good look at that shot, guys. Woo. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, I got a good shot with that Maserati. GTR will be next. Damn, look at this building.
Dude, you can probably
looking for Matt. They are looking for Matt right now.
Hey, buddy.
Having a great day, man. Oh, he's really like going around us. Alright guys, so we just got our oil change. Let me make sure that I reset this thing right now. I think trip A. You know what? Let's reset trip A. Alright, so we put it back to 0. Into the next. I usually, you know what? I usually try my best to change my oil at least 3,000, maybe 4,000 miles. But you know what? It's a GTR, and I dropped this thing really hard, so it was about that time that I, you know, do an oil change. I'm waiting on the new tires and rims. I can't wait for that. New exhaust, can't wait. So much more to go. I'm in front of Top Speed right now, and some of the best cars, man. We even got a Porsche like behind us. Some of the best cars out here. But yeah, now it's about that time to go home. But you guys check out what happened on Sunday, man.